to my channel. Today we're going to make a very simple and easy and quick sandwich for breakfast or as a snack throughout the day. It just has 4 simple ingredients and it's an awesome sandwich, right? It's a peanut butter and jelly sandwich with an addition. Alright, join me for the journey. So ladies and gents, these are literally all the ingredients you need. Peanut butter of your choice. It can be any kind of peanut butter that you prefer. Smooth, chunky, with honey, any kind of jam. I prefer strawberry jam. A banana and bread. Start out by applying the peanut butter on one of your slices of bread. I love peanut butter, so I'm going to apply a liberal serving. Next, take your jam and apply it on the other slice of bread. You can apply as much as you like or as little as you like. Next, move your bread to a side and then peel your banana. Once it's peeled, slice it about half a centimeter thick. And then arrange it on the slice of bread. And then close the sandwich. And that's it. You're done. It's that simple. Slice and enjoy. It's time to enjoy the sandwich that you made. That tastes great. Try it. I'm sure you all will love it. Thank you for joining me today. Have a good night. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos. Thank you.